Look, kids, this is the King Cobra. It's the longest venomous snake in the world. It spreads its hood to scare away enemies. Look, kids, this is the python. It's a giant snake with no venom. It squeezes its prey tightly to catch it. Look, kids, this is the coral snake. It has bright colors and is super poisonous. Watch out for its red, yellow, and black stripes. Look, kids, this is the green vine snake. It lives in trees and looks just like a green twig. Look, kids, this is the rat snake. It eats rats in farms and helps farmers a lot. Look, kids, this is the Indian crate. It's very active at night and has strong venom. Look, kids, this is the saw-scaled viper. It makes a scary sound and is small but very dangerous. Look, kids, this is the hog-nosed snake. It digs into the ground and pretends to be dead when scared. Look, kids, this is the sand boa. It has a fat little body and loves to hide under the soil. Look, kids, this is the Indian cobra. It spreads its hood and is worshipped in some places. Look, kids, this is the bamboo pit viper. It hides in trees and strikes fast. It's full of surprise. Look, kids, this is the bronze-backed tree snake. It's shiny and fast and climbs trees like a ninja. Look, kids, this is the common crate. It has black and white stripes and strong venom. Look, kids, this is the checkered keelback. It loves water and is harmless to humans. Look, kids, this is the banded crate. It has black and yellow bands and hides in deep places. Look, kids, this is the wolf snake. It's fast, hunts at night, and looks a bit scary. Look, kids, this is the Indian rock python. It's huge and hunts small animals in the forest. Look, kids, this is the glass snake. Surprise! It's not a snake at all, but a legless lizard. Look, kids, this is the shadow viper. It hides in the shadows and is very mysterious. Look, kids, this is the trinket snake. It's colorful, shiny, and lives around trees.